Meet the Ninja Air Fryer, a fast and easy way to cook your favorite foods. It ensures even circulation of hot air around your food for quick, crispy, and golden finishes every time. The secret is the combination of a wide temperature range while powering the fan that automatically adjusts speeds for your temperature setting. This allows you to cook and crisp your favorite foods, like 2 pounds of French fries using little to no oil in a family-sized 4-quart ceramic-coated basket. The wide temperature range gives you the ability to roast, bake, air fry, reheat, or dehydrate foods, making it your new go-to appliance for any meal or snack.